So for most of my life, I've eaten 3 meals a day. And there's been different periods in my life where I ate even more than that. And also, junk food in between. So eating a lot of bad stuff, right? And even though I've never been obese ever in my life, eating bad, can have different consequences, bad consequences, other than just being obese. So for the past 2 years, I've eaten only 2 meals a day, and it has made a lot of good differences in my life, and we're going to talk about it. But first, wipe your feet off at the door when you step into a pimp's domain. Let's go.
Bitch, you want all this pimping you can't afford. Perform like a punk, but want a winner's reward. Some suckers give you points, but bitch, you never scored. If you ain't paying pimping, then bitch, you getting ignored.
Okay.
I'm so sick of these.
Since about December of 2022, which is roughly 2.5 years ago, I've eaten only 2 meals a day. And within these 2.5 years, there's been periods where I ate only 1 meal a day. And I got to be real with you. The eating the 1 meal a day, man, that actually felt really good. But because of pimp like drive and iron, and I like to have a little muscle mass on myself, it's kind of difficult. I ain't gonna say it's impossible, because whatever you put your mind to, I believe is possible. But it's kind of hard to sustain the 1 meal a day thing when you lifting weights, let alone doing cardio on top of that, and other things, different activities throughout the day, working, so on and so forth. It's kind of hard to do all of that on 1 meal a day. So but I did it for a little while, and the 1 meal a day thing felt really good. But I did that probably, I want to say, somewhere between 4 to 6 months in the past 2.5 years. But most of the past 2.5 years, I've eaten only 2 meals a day, as opposed to the 3+ meals a day that I used to eat throughout most of my life, right? And also, within these 2 meals a day that I've eaten in the past 2.5 years, since December of 2022, I've only eaten salads most of the time. 95, probably higher than that. 98% of the time in the past 2.5 years, every day I eat salads. And man, it's a beautiful feeling. So, but just merely the 2 meals a day, what I like about it is that because I've conditioned myself for it and I've gotten used to it, mentally, it's a lot better for me. I don't have those periods where I crave food throughout the day, or I move around thinking like, man, I gotta eat, man, I'm starving, man, this, man, that. I don't have them type of cravings, right? And these 2 meals a day usually breaks down to like once every 12 hours, right? So usually I eat around the same time, day and night. So if I eat around 11 or 12 o'clock in the day, my other meal is going to be around 11 or 12 o'clock at night, right? So it doesn't happen perfectly like that all the time, but it usually happens where I eat once every 12 hours. And again, it feels good. And also, what I like about it is that, and that has a lot to do with the type of food that I'm eating too, with the salads, right? Now, my salads are really big. But one thing I like about eating salads and eating only 2 meals a day is that I don't ever have that stuffed or sluggish feeling. And man, all of my life, I never knew how good it would feel to live life every day and never have that stuffed feeling. Right? Because especially in America, we think that's normal to eat until you're stuffed and you just sitting there like, oh man, damn, I'm full. Shit, I ate too much food, man, but it was good though. No, I haven't had that feeling in over 2.5 years. And let me tell you, man, it feels great. it feels great to not put that kind of strain and pressure on my body in that type of way where, you know, I just done ate so much food that I'm uncomfortable now. And then I want to go to sleep with all this food on me that I just ate, you know, 20, 30 minutes or an hour ago. Now it make me want to lay down, and, you know, I'm laying down with all this food on me. It ain't even digested yet. Nah, that, you know, again, because of me being an American and having, you know, the traditional American ways when it comes to eating, man, I thought that was normal my whole life. You know, when you growing up and you seeing your family doing the same thing, you know, everybody eating until they stuffed. You know, you go over your friend's house, you hang out with your friends, y'all go to restaurants. Everybody is like that, or the majority of people is like that. It's a normal thing for people to eat until they get stuffed, right? So, and then do it multiple times a day, man. That's crazy when you really think about it, man. So, yeah, man, it's just a beautiful thing to not have that kind of energy, right? To eat until you're satisfied, and then that satisfaction lasts you throughout the day, right? Me eating these 2 meals a day, whenever I eat that one meal, and then my next meal isn't going to come usually for about the next 12 hours. And then some days I end up only, like, to be real with you, yesterday, because I had some running around to do. I had a full day yesterday. I had a lot going on. So yesterday I only ate once, but again, I'm so conditioned for it, and, you know, I like the way it makes my body feel. So, you know, it's not a big deal if I don't, you know, if I only eat once a day, right? I could do that with no problem. You know, it used to be a time, man, where if you told me I could only eat once or twice a day, man, I wouldn't even know how I'd be able to do that, right? And then too, you know, so a lot of people say that they only eat once a day or twice a day or whatever, but they have a lot of big snacks in between, things like that. I rarely even eat anything else other than these salads. What I might do sometimes, like today also, I had an acai bowl, right, from this acai bowl place. And it was pretty cool. It had acai, of course, as the base. It had bananas, strawberries, blueberries, granola, some other stuff in it, right? I can't remember everything that was in it, but it was really good. And it was pretty big too. I don't know how many calories it was, but it was pretty big. But so I had one meal yesterday, and then I had that acai bowl yesterday, right? So that kind of made up for the lack of the second meal, kinda. But it just feels good, man. My energy is good. My mind is right. You know, I have, you know, it just feels like I have more clarity. You know, I just love that not being stuffed. And I didn't really think about that until not too long ago, right? Maybe a couple weeks ago, I went out to eat with my peoples, and I was telling them, like, man, because we went to a restaurant that served regular food, and I ate some regular food, and it like I ate some chicken, and it didn't even really, it wasn't satisfying. It just, you know, I'm so conditioned to eat salads, you know, every day, man. Like when I eat regular food now, it's not even the same. I don't even enjoy it the same way, right? And a lot of it has to do with how it makes my body feel, right? These days, the taste is a secondary reason why I eat what I eat. The primary reason why I eat what I eat is because of how it makes me feel, right? And, you know, that I believe has a lot to do with me only eating 2 meals a day as well. See, when you eat 3-4 meals a day plus a bunch of junk food in between, you eating primarily for taste. And when you eat primarily for taste, you know, that's where the gluttony comes in, and you don't know when to stop, and you eat until you stuffed and all that type of stuff, man. So when you get into the point where you eat primarily because of, you know, health reasons, how the food is treating your body, as well as how it makes you feel, hey, man, you know, the taste is like secondary. So, but back to this restaurant that we was eating at, man, I was eating the regular food. I ate some chicken and some potatoes, and it was cool, but it just wasn't, the whole time I'm eating this shit, I'm thinking about a salad, you dig? And I was telling my people, I was like, damn, you know what? I never thought about it until right now, man, but I ain't been stuffed in a couple years now. That feeling of, man, I'm stuffed. Oh, man, I can't move. I ain't felt like that in a minute, man, and it feels good to be able to say that. And when you really think about it, man, it's just a beautiful thing. But yeah, man, the 2 meals a day thing for me is, that's locked in. And like I said, I'm so used to eating salads now. And, I eat my salads pretty much the same way all the time. And, a lot of people, especially, the students of mine, they look at me crazy because I don't get tired of eating the same thing. But again, when you're eating primarily for what the food is doing for your body as well as how it makes you feel, then the taste is like a secondary thing. And the way I make my salads is extremely unconventional, but it tastes good to me. It's what I like, right? So I don't get tired of it, man. I've been eating the same shit. Well, as far as how I make my salads now, I've been eating like that for about 1.5 years. That first year of the past 2.5 years, I was making my salads a little differently, right? And that was cool, but I switched it up, and the way I'm eating it now, I've been eating it this way for about 1.5 years. And I don't get tired of it, man. And one thing that this has done that I couldn't see myself doing was I don't even hardly eat chicken like that, right? And then when you start learning about chicken, man, and the way the chicken is processed and prepared or whatever it is, man, and what the chickens go through, hey, man, I don't know, chicken, and all my life I have loved chicken. Chicken has been my go-to, man. I remember one time, man, because I've gone through different stages. At one point in time when I was really going hard, trying to be super swole, I was eating chicken and rice every day. I did that for probably about 1 year, if not longer, right? Chicken and rice every day. And true story, right? I remember a partner of mine, he said he was campaigning in a certain state. I ain't gonna say where, but it was in the South, right? And he goes into this strip club. He meets this young lady, and he, sitting down chopping it up with the young lady. And the young lady mentions my name as her ex-folks, right? So my partner, he like, well, damn, what happened with Freeze? How come y'all, how come you ain't with Freeze no more? And the bitch was like, all he eats is chicken and rice every day. Chicken and rice. Hey, man, so I guess my diet blew her, man. My diet blew the Brisnard, you dig? She could, but that's one thing about me too, right? I'm not the type of person to impose my ways and my thoughts upon people, right? Meaning, just because I eat this way doesn't mean it's mandatory for you to eat this way, right? But yeah, that was just funny to me. But yeah, man, chicken all my life, man, has been something that I never seen myself without. And I haven't completely cut chicken out, and I haven't made a conscious decision that I'm no longer going to eat chicken. So I still eat it every once in a while. Like I just mentioned, I ate some chicken a couple weeks ago, right? But I hardly ever eat chicken, and I kind of don't even really miss it, right? So again, for the past 1.5 years, what I've eaten mostly has been ground turkey. So I put a pound of ground turkey in my salad. In the near future, I'm gonna do a video breaking down, what I eat every day, so that y'all can have, you can have a visual context and better understand, what I do, right? But yeah, ground turkey has been what it's been. For those of y'all who don't know, I ain't had red meat in 18.5 years. So as far as flesh, The only thing I really eat these days is turkey, and every so often, salmon. I don't eat shellfish anymore. That's another thing that has been a little over 2 years, probably about the same amount of time, about 2.5 years since I've had shellfish. So no more shrimp, no more lobster, no more oysters, clams, any kind of shellfish, mussels. I don't eat that kind of stuff anymore, as much as I love it. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. I love all that kind of stuff, but these days I don't eat that. But the bottom line is, man, the 2 meals a day thing has been great for me. And I think another thing, I do got to put this in there, not just any kind of 2 meals a day, the kind of 2 meals a day that I eat being salads, right? Hey man, works wonders for me. I love it. And I really can't see myself eating any kind of different way, for the rest of my days, man. It's going to be 2 meals a day at least. You never know. Maybe when I get older and I stop, lifting heavy weights, I might go down to 1 meal a day. You never know. But at least I've done the 1 meal a day thing for an extended period of time, liked it, had no problem with it. So I know that I can do it again. But for now, 2 meals a day, nothing more than that. I don't eat any kind of junk food. I don't do candy. I don't do pastries. Any baked desserts. No, any kind of desserts, period. Anything sweet, stuff that's, got a whole bunch of processed sugar in it. No. Pimpin' don't do that. I don't even put salad dressings on my salad. I know a lot of y'all probably looking at me crazy like, Freeze, how the hell you eat salads every day with no salad dressing? Like I said, in the near future, I'm gonna do a video showing y'all exactly what I eat every day, right? But, hey man, hopefully this can motivate somebody to make some positive changes in your life so that you can take care of your body the way that you're supposed to, and your body will take care of you in return and reward you in return, you dig? Let that marinate on your mind one time. Freeze is it. Go ahead, put some of this good old love in your body like so. And of course, as always, long live the incomparable Sinful to P. We out. Dig this.
Yeah.
I been stroking relentless to get waves like this. I spoke into existence for her to pay like this. In the trenches on a day like this, traffic consistent, and so I have to insist that she relay my chips. It's a trap with her name on it and my game on it. Any forces coming against this game, shame on it. Standing on my pimpin' from day one and remain on it. It carried me through every terrain and I gained on it. Experience joy and pain on it, sustained on it.
But getting back to this game that I never left.
Baby, yeah, where you been?